Introducing the new series of mobile and tablet holders from Green Lion. The first product is specifically for mobile phones. It features 360 degrees rotation. It sits very well on the table. You can easily change the main arm. There is also the possibility to increase the length of the arm. It's very easy to place the phone on the stand. Due to the design, it's possible to connect the charging cable. You can also change the angle of the phone. The body and the base of this product are made of combination of aluminum and plastic to provide good strength. The product is available in two colors, black and white. The second product is a tablet for up to 7.2 inches. It has the ability to adjust height. You can also determine the angle of the tablet. It is designed in a way that the tablet can be easily placed on it. You can easily fold the holder and put it in your bag. For the tablets up to 12.9 inches, we have to go to the third product. It's designed to be able to withstand with the heavy weight of tablets at this size. You can easily change the both height and place the tablet at the desired angle. The use of the metal in design of the tablet holder provides very good strength, so that it's always with you, it's easily fold up and portable. The new Green Lion holders are must-have products. To place an order, please contact us.